Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to Autosum in Excel. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have a data. So to Autosum this total amount column, simply select the cell and go to the Home tab. In editing group, just click on this sum sign and that's it. Here you can see the data is automatically selected with the sum function. Press the enter key and here you see the sum amount is calculated. The second way you can use the shortcut key Alt is equal to, and here you see again the sum function is automatically added with the range of selection. Press the enter key and get the sum total. Okay. And the third way is select the cell and go to the formulas tab. In function library, just click on the Autosum and click on the sum function and that's it. Same as the data range is selected with the sum function. Press the enter key and that's it. Here you see the sum total amount is showing. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.